MLGO is down roughly 10% in the regular session of today, the 20th of May 2025. As things stand right now, there isn't really any. There's some news, but it shouldn't be the grounds for the 10% we're looking at right here. It says MLGO researches quantum machine learning algorithms to accelerate machine learning tasks, and a couple of older news. Well, the extrapolation is saying on this daily chart that we are going to see lower prices. They will continue to print up till next week, Wednesday, the 28th of May. After that, that will be the bottom for now. After that, we will see a resumption, or if you like, a rebound. A rebound may occur and may reach the highs of around 6.14 by the 26th of June. Don't bank on that. There's no guarantee that that will be the case. In terms of projections, what do we have? Okay, we have an upper projection here, a very big one, 16.8, $16.8. I haven't seen, yeah, $16.8. Yeah, that's, yeah. Is that where it is? Yeah, $16.8. And it has been reiterated. It began to retreat. This began to print from early April, 8th of April. That was when it began to print it, and has printed it again today, the 20th of May. So something could be there. Something could be there. Let's hope. Let's see. Let's have a look at its let's see, 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, what we have is okay. The extrapolations of that. Let's see now. We're going to see some rebound by tomorrow. Tomorrow, the 21st, and after that, it's just, as a matter of fact, it's just extrapolating a consolidation that yeah, that's what's been extrapolated. You know, not it's not a neutral contract, a neutral contraction is what is extrapolated up till Friday the 30th of May. However, as well, this may not be the case. It may not be what will happen in terms of projections. Or let's see now, projections. Let's see what we have. It's not loading up. I have to come back to it. Let me try the 3-hour chart. Okay, no projections. Okay, no projections as well. Let's see now. Okay, we'll leave that, and we will apply the market grid to give us an indication as to where the stock is currently, state of things in terms of its trading range. Let's see what we have down here. We have a range of the top line of its market grid on this 4-hour chart is 1.45, and it's currently trading at 1.24. So it's just neutral right now, very neutral on its trading range, just right in the middle of the resistance and support zones. So okay, we'll go ahead and see what's going on. So that may be what is may remain in place up till the end of the month. Let's have a look at its daily chart and see what we have there. On the daily chart, let's see what. Okay, the top of the range is 1.77, and it's currently trading at 1.24. So it's yeah, right on the. It's now right in the support zone based on its 4-hour chart. So yeah, that's you could say on the average, it's getting quiet, gradually cooling down. You know, coming off or rather cooling off this volatility expansion that was in play as of early May. We saw that we saw it early March. We saw it, print the highs of around 23.73 closing price. Intraday highs were, I believe, more than that. So That's what's going on. Contraction is contraction of that volatility. It's taking some time. If you like, it's taking some time. Um, I know. Let's see now. Yeah, something began. Yeah, early April. So it's been more than over a month now. It could last a long time. You can see what has happened before now. See the contraction here. This happened. This lasted for like, this is from the 18th of, well, you could say September to March. That was an eternity. Okay, let's have a look at its. Let me move this and look at its weekly chart. Okay, no extrapolations here. It hasn't been trading for a very long time. Let's see what the projections are saying. We have 27.39 and then 21.75. Okay, it has not been trading for a very long time, so we'll not be able to get an extrapolation for its yeah, any of its moving averages. Let's see. Let's point this to 3. So overall, it's consolidation that is what is expected, and it's pretty much validated by its market grid. So here, nothing very much is going on. Let's see. We have here quite you- what is called liquidity is not that poor, not that bad. Okay, I mean, going by these sort of figures we're looking at here, 542, 324. Not very bad. It could be worse than that. It could be worse than that. Yeah, you can see 16,386. So people are buying. Yeah, it's quite active. Quite yeah, aggression. I guess that's why it's probably not so volatile. Just it has maintained some sort of price, so not so volatile of late in the last couple of minutes. So the aggression has minimized to some extent. I think. Okay, let's have a look at its. Yeah, we can have a look at its 1 minute chart. Sometimes we might see some really ambitious projections here. Let's see what we have in terms of projections. Nothing really, nothing, none of those, none of such. Let's look at it 5 minutes. Nothing, no major projections here on the 5 minutes. Let's look at the 30 minutes. Okay, okay, we can take 1.5 it. That's an upper projection there. Okay, just see what you make of MLGO. It's one of the most active stocks in this trading session. You can see that over 45 million shares, over 50 million shares have crossed the tape. Let me confirm the accurate value now. Let's come to its daily chart. Yeah, 53.48 million shares have crossed the tape now. So see what you make of MLGO, and thank you very much for watching this video.